accident-free driving. By reaching this milestone, you can be a part of an elite club of drivers who share remarkable safety records and demonstrate superior driving skills. If you or someone you know is a truck driver with 1,000,000 miles or more of driving under your belt without a preventable accident, register online at redeyeradioshow.com. That's redeyeradioshow.com. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club would not be possible without the generous support of the fine folks from Petro Stopping Centers, House Lubricator, Motel 6, the St. Christopher Fund, and Cat Scale. We applaud the individual truckers and fleets who drive with care and keep our highways safe. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club, devoted to trucking safety. Register online at redeyeradioshow.com.
Truck show season is back in full swing for 2022, and Overdrive Magazine is reporting from events with a close focus on individual truck owner-operators' custom modifications to their hard-working rigs. From the rigs featured in the long-running Mid-America Trucking Show in Louisville in March to events coming up on the West Coast and elsewhere, Overdrive's got you covered with videos, in-depth owner-operator interviews, and more. Find the latest in Wildseed archives to catch some of the most head-turning trucks working the road today via overdriveonline.com. And check out the custom rigs section.
Fast-paced, fact-based. We give you facts here. KABC, Los Angeles, Orange County, a Cumulus Media.
Suspect in the attack of House Speaker Nancy Pelosi's husband, Paul, is being indicted on federal charges. David DePape is facing felony assault and attempted kidnapping charges in connection with the incident last month. If convicted, DePape faces up to 30 years in prison for the assault count and 20 years for attempted kidnapping. Hurricane Nicole is barreling toward Florida's east coast with strong winds, dangerous storm surge, and heavy rain. The National Hurricane Center says the storm is moving away from Grand Bahama Island in the Bahamas, where it made landfall as a Category 1 storm on Wednesday. Maximum winds had been clocked at over 75 miles per hour. President Biden is weighing in on last night's midterm election results. Speaking from the White House, Biden said voters proved democracy was still strong on election night.
Our democracy has been tested in recent years, but with their votes, the American people spoke and proved once again that democracy is who we are.
Biden noted the fact that most polls had Democrats losing many seats in Congress, but that didn't happen. Academy Award-winning actor Sean Penn is gifting his Oscar to Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky as a symbol of faith to get through the war with Russia. Zelensky posted about Penn's gift Tuesday on Instagram. The life story of Snoop Dogg is coming to life at Universal Pictures. Snoop will serve as co-producer to his biopic. The rapper says he's waited a long time to put this project together because he wanted to choose the right director, perfect writer, and greatest movie company he could partner with. I'm Trey Thomas. A major cryptocurrency deal has fallen through, causing Bitcoin to drop 14%. Marin reports.
On Wednesday, the world's largest cryptocurrency trading platform called Binance said they won't be following through on a deal to buy their rival exchange FTX. Binance cited mishandled customer funds as the reason for canceling the purchase. As a result, Bitcoin has rapidly dropped nearly 15%, while the other largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum, has dropped 16%.
Actor Warren Beatty is being sued for allegedly coercing sex with a minor in 1973. A lawsuit alleges Beatty coerced Christina Charlotte Hirsch into having sex with him when she was just 14 years old. The lawsuit doesn't cite Beatty by name, but identifies the defendant as a nominee for the Academy Award for his role as Clyde in Bonnie and Clyde, which is a clear reference to Beatty. It also alleged that Beatty, who would have been around 35 years old at the time, made several comments about Hirsch losing her virginity. The life story of Snoop Dogg is coming to life at Universal Pictures. Snoop will serve as co-producer to his biopic alongside Sarah Ramaker. The rapper says he's waited a long time to put this project together because he wanted to choose the right director, perfect writer, and greatest movie company he could partner with to portray the memory he's trying to leave behind. Adidas will continue to make Yeezy shoes after ending its partnership with Kanye West. On Wednesday, the shoe company announced the Kanye-inspired shoes will be back as early as 2023, but won't have any trace of the rapper's name. I'm Trey Thomas.
Right now, Amazon is offering some amazing extra perks that come with a job offer. If you start a warehouse job, you can get a $1,000 sign-on bonus. That means you start earning a paycheck right away, plus you get extra cash to use before the holidays. Applying is so easy, you don't even need an interview. It's never been so rewarding to start an hourly job that's close to home. So what are you waiting for? To join the team today, visit amazon.com/sign-on bonus. Amazon is an equal opportunity employer.
Hi, this is Stephanie from Safeway with great news. You can earn Safeway rewards with each purchase you make. Then use your rewards for discounts on groceries or up to 20 cents off per gallon in gas rewards at participating Chevron or Texaco stations and up to $1 off per gallon at participating Safeway fuel stations. Not a member? Register for an account with your phone number at checkout and start earning rewards today. Restrictions and exclusions apply. Learn more at safeway.com/for-you. This is Stephanie from Safeway, and we'll see you soon.
Come strengthen your pack at the new Great Wolf Lodge in Manteca. With over 50 attractions, we wanted to see how many we can name in the remaining seconds of this ad.
River Canyon Run, Oliver's Moonstone Maze, Tin Paw Bowling, Howler's Peak Ropes Course, Magi Quest, Slaptail Pond Wave Pool, Build-A-Bear Workshop, Storytime, a 4-story water
Only
fort.
40 more to go. And now that a getaway to Great Wolf Lodge in Manteca is just a short ride away, families have time to experience every attraction at the lodge. Great Wolf Lodge, strengthen the pack.
If you were sexually abused as a child by a priest, coach, teacher, or authority figure in California, a new law gives you an opportunity to seek justice. Jeff Anderson and Associates can help. Survivors in California must file a claim by December 31st, 2022 to seek accountability and compensation from perpetrators and institutions. Call confidentially 1-800-IT'S-TIME. Time is limited. Call 1-800-IT'S-TIME. 12011 San Vicente Boulevard, Los Angeles, California.
Now, it's Red Eye Radio. Gary McNamara and Eric Hurley talk about everything from politics to social issues and news of the day. Whether you're up late or you're just starting your day, welcome to the show. This is Red Eye Radio.
All across America and around the planet, we're Red Eye Radio. He's Eric Hurley and I'm Gary McNamara. Download our Red Eye Radio app today, and you can listen when and where you want. If you can't listen overnight, live to one of our great radio station affiliates. All right, so Biden decided to hold a press conference. Remember, he wasn't going to hold one ever did, and we said, he may hold one now, and of course he said he is going to change nothing in his in the last 2 years of his
Netflix is a joke radio, Sirius XM channel 93.
Now, Sirius XM first traffic for Los Angeles.
Good morning. It's Thursday, 2022, and we've got a traffic hazard to watch for westbound 10 and West Covina. Be already off ramp, watch for somebody calling out, and central LA, 10 east, the 110 north. CHP was good for on a break to get a stuck car out of the center divider, and then also had a problem in the Cascade area. It's down Golden State Freeway just before the lower crossover. That semi's got the right lane of traffic blocked, and then also have the SIG alert